Hi, my name is Chris Lou.
Hi, my name is Ancient Lizzie.
Let's go take a look. Awesome entry.
Great laundry.
Now for the grown-up area, the kitchen, which is at the heart of the home. As you saw, I've just come out of the walk-in pantry, but it's well designed. It's got an island bench here you could use as a brekkie bar, plus gas cooking. And we all know I like to get my wok on. For accommodation, you've got 4 great sized bedrooms, all with ceiling fans. All bedrooms have built-in, but the master has its own walk-in robe, which flows on through to its own private ensuite. Plus, you got the extra comfort of air conditioning. You got some great walking tracks and parks in the area. Your walking distance to schools. In fact, Australia's #1 high school, Marsden State High. Plus there's some great local shops and cafes to the area. And there we have it, buyers. If you can see yourself enjoying this magnificent home, give me a call today and come make it yours.